So, three types of web. There are three types of web: Google, deep web, and dark web. So, if you don't know what web is, it's basically, in short, a website. So, if you analyze the situation in a logical way of approaching this, basically, dark web is not a community. It is not a gang or an organization. Basically, dark web is a website that you can actually access. So, in short, dark, if we put site in it's basically dark websites. So we are going to access the dark website later, but I'm gonna explain to you the three types of web. So Google are basically the things that you can find in Google. Basically, for example, Kira, or maybe Pinterest, or Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Those are the things that you can access with Google. It's basically all the public stuff that is basically published or authorized by Google to be in public. And basically, Google is protecting all the public and stuff like that. But if we dig deeper into something that's unauthorized by Google, we are going to go to the deep web, which is basically the website that is not halfway seen or authorized by Google, which is basically not everyone can access this deep web, because basically some website have password, some website are protected by bots or stuff like that, and some website are protected by hacker or scammer. So those are deep web. And then if we go deeper than that and we conduct activity, that is called the dark web, where everything is possible. You can buy guns, you can buy illegal stuff. I mean, you can do illegal stuff. You can post CP or child pornography or stuff like that. But those are the disgusting stuff you can do in dark web. You can buy drugs, hire assassins to kill someone, and even reveal. I mean, even tell the private news that's not yet published or released in the public. You can actually do that by doing some ethical hacking and stuff like that, but I will not be able to show you that since this course is about educational. So yeah, those are the three websites. If we summarize it, basically Google is like the safest place, and then deep web is the basically a little bit of a safest place, but it's all just a website where you can go through, do some fun activity and stuff like that. And then the dark web is the darkest website, basically where you can conduct illegal stuff and buying guns and stuff like that. So yeah, those are the three types of web. But anyway, we will explore this website later, so you will not get confused, because I think some of you might be confused on things that I am saying right now. But anyway, let's get right into that.